Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting a study titled Effect of Different Bulking Agents on Fat Batch Composting and Microbial Community Profile. This research was conducted by the Fei Wang and the team. The authors are affiliated with Southeast University, China, and IHE Delft Institute for Water Education in the Netherlands. Food waste generation, especially in rural areas, has increased dramatically, leading to serious environmental concern due to improper landfilling and incineration. Fat batch composting is an effective strategy to reduce the food waste, but it is often limited by the high moisture and low porosity of the waste. To overcome this, bulking agents are added to adjust the moisture content and carbon to nitrogen ratio, enhancing the oxygen diffusion and microbial activity. While some studies have examined bulking agent in traditional composting, their effect in fat batch system is still underexplored. This study has three main objectives, which is first, to evaluate the impact of different bulking agent types on fat batch composting performance. Second, to examine how the particle size of bulking agent affect the compost quality and the microbial dynamic. And lastly, to investigate the effect of reactor temperature on the microbial community during the composting. Next, I will pass to Eric to explain about the methodology.
Next, I will be talking about methodology. These experiments are done 3 times, each named E1, E2, and E3. The first experiment aimed to compare the effects of different bulking agents. So, in the second experiment, the focus shifted to the size of particles, while the aim of the third experiment is to see how different reactor temperature influence the microbial community. Throughout the 30-day period, different parameters were regularly measured. This includes moisture content, organic matter, carbon per nitrogen ratio, pH, electrical conductivity, weight loss rate, and the germination index. Next, I will pass to the Sharin for the result.
For the results, there are three major parts. The first one is about the effect of different types of bulking agents on fat batch composting. So for 3.1, the main highlight is that green waste is known as the best bulking agent among the 4 other bulking agents tested, namely wheat straw, sawdust, and bamboo charcoal, including green waste as well. Green waste showed the best overall performance, and this was shown by the physiochemical performance, including the lowest final moisture content at 3.16%, highest weight loss rate at 85.26%, and lowest carbon to nitrogen ratio at 13.98, indicating that it is a mature compost. These values suggested that green waste significantly improved composting efficiency and product quality. The second part of the results is 3.2, which talks about the effect of different bulking agents on fat batch composting. And the ideal particle size that we found out was 3 to 6 millimeters. Different sizes of the green waste was tested. And the reason why 3 to 6 millimeters was chosen was due to its physiochemical performance, which includes highlighted elements such as the moisture content being at 3.12%, organic matter content being at 63.93%, and the electrical conductivity, EC, at 5.37 millisiemens per centimeter. For the maturity evaluation 3.2.2, the best size 3 to 6 millimeters was chosen because sizes smaller or larger than that was less effective, likely due to poor aeration or poor degradation. For the third element, which was 3.3, effect of temperature on microbial community in fat batch composting, we have analyzed that when there is an increase in temperature, mainly at the higher temperature, which was 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, there was an enhanced relative abundance of microbes involved in organic matter degradation. For example, in cases with thermophilic bacteria, Firmicutes and Proteobacteria are more dominant. For the fungi, Rhamsonia and Pleurotus was seen to have an increase when the temperature was higher. These two fungi are important in breaking down lignocellulose. In general, the germination index for all treatment was above 80%, confirming compost safety and quality. Next, we'll go to the conclusion.
So in conclusion, the type of bulking agent significantly improved the performance and the quality of the compost. The green waste, particularly with a size range of 3 to 6 millimeter, was found to be the most effective among the tested agents. It is achieved 3.12% moisture level and 85.26% weight loss and 13.98% ratio. Higher reactor temperature, particularly 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, increased thermophilic microorganism, which aided in decomposing lignocellulose and enhancing composting efficiency. So lastly, the author acknowledged the Southeast University and the IHE Delft Institute for Water Education in the Netherlands for their contribution in this research. Thank you.